Welcome to Crypto for Seniors, where technology meets wisdom and curiosity evolves into knowledge. Today's video is Crypto Investments 101 Inch Guide for Seniors. But first, nothing contained in this video is considered investment advice. Please do your own research, and never invest funds you are not willing to lose. Have you ever wondered about the world of cryptocurrency and how to get involved? Welcome to the fascinating realm of cryptocurrency, a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. It's a world that's constantly evolving and gaining prominence in the financial landscape. So what is cryptocurrency exactly? It's essentially digital money, but it's not controlled by any government or bank. It exists purely online, and transactions are recorded on a digital ledger called a blockchain. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others, each with their unique features and uses. Why is cryptocurrency important? It's changing the way we think about money and how we use it. It allows for fast, inexpensive transactions anywhere in the world without the need for a bank or other intermediary. It's also leading the way in the development of new technologies and business models. As you might have guessed, investing in cryptocurrency could potentially be very profitable. For instance, if you had invested just $100 in Bitcoin back in 2009, it would be worth millions today. However, like any investment, it's not without risk. Cryptocurrency prices can be incredibly volatile, and the market is still relatively unregulated. It's also worth noting that because cryptocurrency operates independently of a central bank, it's not insured by the government. So if your digital wallet is hacked or your currency is lost, there's no safety net. Despite these risks, many people are drawn to crypto investment for its potential high returns. And with the right knowledge and strategy, it is possible to navigate these risks and make a profit. So, why should you consider investing in cryptocurrency? Besides the potential for high returns, it's also a great way to diversify your investment portfolio. It's different from traditional investments like stocks and bonds, and it can provide a hedge against inflation and economic instability. Now that we have a basic understanding of what cryptocurrency is, we can move on to how to research and buy it. The first step in crypto investment is research, but where do you start? Well, imagine yourself as a detective. You're about to dive into the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies, where every piece of information can serve as a clue leading to a potentially profitable investment. Now, this might seem overwhelming, but don't worry, we're here to walk you through the process. Firstly, it's important to understand why research is critical. Cryptocurrency is a volatile market. Prices can skyrocket or plummet within hours. This means that investing without sufficient knowledge could be like walking blindfolded on a tightrope. You might get lucky, but it's a risky game to play. Research helps you make informed decisions, reducing the risk and increasing the potential for returns. So, where can you find reliable information? There are numerous sources available. Cryptocurrency news websites are a great starting point. They offer up-to-date news about market trends, technological advancements, and regulatory changes. Websites like CoinDesk or Cointelegraph are popular choices. Financial reports can also be helpful. They provide a more in-depth analysis of market trends and the financial health of various cryptocurrencies. You can find these reports on financial news platforms or the official websites of cryptocurrencies. For a more personal touch, online forums can be a goldmine of information. Communities like Reddit's or Cryptocurrency or Bitcoin Talk are full of experienced investors and enthusiasts who share their insights, experiences, and predictions. But remember, while these forums can provide valuable insights, they are also filled with personal opinions. Always cross-check any information you find. Understanding the technology behind each cryptocurrency is equally important. Is it based on blockchain, or does it use a different technology? What problem does it aim to solve? The answers to these questions can help you understand the potential of a cryptocurrency. Finally, consider the use case of a cryptocurrency. Does it have a real-world application? Is it being adopted by businesses or governments? A cryptocurrency with a strong use case is more likely to succeed in the long run. Remember, thorough research is the foundation of any successful investment. After thorough research, it's time to select the right cryptocurrency for you. Selecting a cryptocurrency for your investment portfolio is more than just picking the most popular one. Several factors should be considered to make a well-informed decision. Let's dive into some of these factors. Firstly, consider the market capitalization of a cryptocurrency. This represents the total value of all coins currently in circulation. A higher market cap indicates a larger volume of the crypto in circulation, which could imply stability and lower risk. But remember, in the world of investments, nothing is a guarantee. Next, consider liquidity. Liquidity refers to how quickly a cryptocurrency can be bought or sold without causing significant price changes. A more liquid market means you can buy or sell at any given time with minimal impact on the price. It's like a bustling marketplace. The more buyers and sellers, the easier it is to get what you want at a fair price. Thirdly, consider the volatility of the cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are known for their price swings. While this can provide opportunities for high returns, it also comes with increased risk. If you prefer a less roller coaster-like experience with your investments, you might want to choose a less volatile cryptocurrency. Lastly, but certainly not least, is the importance of diversification. Just as you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket in traditional investing, the same applies to crypto investing. Spreading your investments across different cryptocurrencies can help to mitigate risk. This is because when one cryptocurrency may be performing poorly, another might be soaring. So think of your cryptocurrency selection as a well-balanced meal. You wouldn't fill your plate with just one type of food, right? Similarly, a well-balanced crypto portfolio comprises different ingredients, or in this case, cryptocurrencies. Choosing the right cryptocurrency is crucial, but it's only half the battle. The next step is learning how to buy your selected cryptocurrencies. But that's a topic for our next scene. Until then, happy investing. You've selected your cryptocurrency. Now how do you buy it? Well, let's start with the basics. The first step is setting up a crypto wallet. This is an application or hardware device where you'll store your digital assets. Think of it as your personal bank account, but for cryptocurrencies. There are numerous wallets available, and the one you choose will largely depend on your needs and preferences. Some wallets are designed for ease of use, while others prioritize security features. Once you've set up your wallet, the next step is to select a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. This is a platform where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Some well-known exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. When choosing an exchange, consider factors such as security, user interface, and the types of cryptocurrencies available. It's a good idea to do a bit of research, read reviews, and make sure the exchange you choose is reputable and secure. Now let's talk about executing a trade. After you've funded your account on the exchange, you can place an order to buy the cryptocurrency of your choice. There are two main types of orders: market orders and limit orders. A market order is when you buy at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy. But here's the crucial part: security. Cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. Once you've sent a payment, there's no way to get it back unless the recipient returns it. That's why it's essential to double-check all transaction details and make sure you're sending funds to the correct address. In addition, keep your wallet and exchange account secure. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication if it's available. And remember, don't share your private keys with anyone. They're like the keys to your digital vault. Buying cryptocurrency may seem complex, but with careful steps, it's a process anyone can master. With time and experience, you'll become more comfortable navigating the world of cryptocurrency. Happy investing! Let's recap what we've learned today. We've navigated the fascinating world of cryptocurrency investment, a realm that is as full of promise as it is of complexity. It's not a journey for the faint-hearted, but with the right tools and knowledge, it's a journey that can potentially lead to great rewards. We spoke about understanding what cryptocurrency is, a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It's an innovative form of digital asset that has been engineered to work as a medium of exchange. This understanding is your foundation, the bedrock on which you build your crypto investment strategy. Next, we delved into the critical role of research. As with any investment, knowledge is power. Researching about the cryptocurrency market, understanding its volatility, and keeping updated with the latest news and trends are all part of making an informed decision. Remember, the more you know, the better equipped you are to navigate the choppy waters of the crypto sea. We also discussed the process of selecting a cryptocurrency. This isn't a decision to be made lightly. Factors like market cap, liquidity, and technological prospects are all elements to consider. Don't forget, each cryptocurrency has its own unique features and benefits, so take the time to understand what each one offers before making a decision. Finally, we walked through the process of buying cryptocurrency. From choosing a reliable and secure platform to understanding transaction fees, every step is crucial in ensuring a smooth and safe investment experience. Keep in mind that patience is key here. The crypto market is a marathon, not a sprint. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a savvy crypto investor. Remember, every investment journey starts with a single step. So, now you know the basics. Go slow, research, talk to people who are already into crypto and get their opinions. But remember, their information is only their opinion. Be the person who researches. Be the person who reads the crypto tokens white paper. See if the crypto token you are interested in has the management team listed on their website. If not, be cautious. This is a pro tip. For more pro tips, check out more of my videos. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps the channel, and I truly appreciate your time to watch Crypto Investments 101, a guide for seniors.